點解主耶穌要拯救人？佢咪為咗喺人類歷史當中，佢做咗個事蹟，藉著人類2000年嘅時間去累積、製造、要求、鍛鍊到辛苦成為 final product。所以佢示範一個好 simple 啱呢2000年啲人循序漸進地按住嗰個時代成長。但每個時代當中，福音對人嘅 demand 咧係更大嘅。
Dusty roads and desert sun. Another day, another run. Got a fire in my bones, a hunger in my soul. Taking back what's mine, taking full control. They say it's crazy, they say it's bold. Iron rod in my hand, rule this promised land. Yeah, iron rod, my command, understand. Iron rod in my hand, rule this promised land. Yeah, iron rod, my command, understand.
因為係生命成長必經嘅傳授，神預咗最尾嗰個世代出世嘅辛苦，係可以承擔到呢個成長當中最複雜、最精密嘅人物，所以佢留到呢一代，最後出嚟個 product 係要喺成個智商當中都要似神，並且能夠可以承繼列在佢哋國坐寶座。
Mountains high and valleys deep, secrets that the ancients keep. But I got a vision, a future in my sight, shining like a beacon, burning ever bright. They call it madness, a story to be told.